Hi, guys. I am not a complainer. I don't get on my channel and complain very often about anything. But there is something really grinding my gears. I'm noticing these things popping up where they're saying things like, you can get money in 7 days by saying these magic words, or find love in the next 24 hours by doing this. Follow this guru because you can have success in the next 5 minutes, and that type of thing. And it's just irking the hell out of me because magic doesn't work like that. When we're doing spell work, it's not an instant thing. And you have to do your part as well. And so it just is really, really ticking me off. And I wanted to know what you guys thought. How are you feeling about seeing these things crop up? And share that with me. Let's kind of engage in a conversation here, because I am really, really irritated at this moment at that. Because I just saw one that said, say these magic words and get money in 7 days. It just really upset me. I am sick. Gonna let you go. Love you guys. Leave me a comment. I'd like to know what you think. Bye.